Now, in 2020, the top 3 causes of death were number 1, heart disease, unfortunately, number 2, cancer, and then number 3, the pandemic and COVID. What would happen, God forbid, one of your loved ones pass away and they have old retirement accounts that you are now the beneficiary of, or one of your loved ones is a beneficiary of? If you'd like to learn more about that, Christian does an amazing job in overviewing exactly how you can roll your money into an IRA and what specifically you can do to take that action step. Enjoy the video.
If you inherit a 401k from someone who died, then you can roll it over into your own secure investment account without being penalized. Although you have many options to choose from, here are 5 reasons why you should choose an index annuity as your investment. Reason number 1, your principal is guaranteed. So if you were to roll $250,000 into an index annuity, your money is guaranteed to never drop below that amount. Reason number 2, it's indexed. So if the market goes up, so does your money. And if the market goes down, then your money and any gains from prior years get locked in. Reason number 3, your gains go tax deferred. Reason number 4, you have the option to receive lifetime income even if your balance drops to 0. Reason number 5, you can withdraw up to 10% each year with no penalty to cover the cost of things that might pop up. Then after your surrender period, whether you chose 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, you can then withdraw as much as you want without any penalties. So if you want your money in your own index annuity, aka personal pension, then contact our home office at 888-350-5396 or reach us at our website at tfawealthplanning.com. A good opportunity only becomes great when you act on it. So get with the person that sent you this video. Have a great day.
If you'd like to learn more about something called the lost decade, meaning from the years 2000 to 2013, how your money really didn't grow at all if it was invested in the market, go ahead and click on this link right here. Or if you'd like to learn more about living benefits inside of your life insurance policy, go ahead and click on this link right there. Enjoy.